good evening, good afternoon, depending where you are watching me from. This is Machiavelli Media TV. So today I want to give you a tutorial on how you can create a video, on how you can react on a video. Maybe you download video from Facebook and you want to react on it, or how you can edit video as you want as a blogger, on how you can react on a video, on how you can create video, you understand, or how you can overlay. Sometimes you see two videos together, you understand. This one, after this one playing, this one start display, you understand. Sometimes you see video, this one picture and everything, or how you can do it, overlay a video to put two videos together, either to put it at the top or to put it by the side. This is the tutorial. So watch out this video now and confirm, watch attentively so that you can catch up. Oh yeah, let's go now. Let's go to CapCut. Immediately we'll go to CapCut. We tap new project, you understand. Then let's choose one video now. Let me choose one video now. I will choose one video. Let me choose this one, the first one. Then let's go. You understand me? It's very simple. Then tap on the video here. Immediately tap, then you shift it by the side, zoom it back. It depends on your screen, phone screen, house, the size of your phone screen, you understand. Then go back, you see edit audio test overlay, then tap overlay. Immediately you tap overlay, you understand. The video we want to put together, this is the video, this one now is the video that I want to put together. So I have already screenshot the photo, you understand. I have already screenshot the photo, so that I'll put the photo first. Then after the first video playing, then the other one will start playing. You see as I do it. Just don't worry, calm down and follow up. Go to the photo, then see the photo here. I've screenshot it before I start editing. See the photo here, as you can see now. Add, this is the photo. I've added the photo by the side. This is how to put two videos together, you understand. I've added by the side. So let's see now. Let's drag the thing so that you can reach to the, so you can match with the video, you understand. This is how to do it. As you can see, this video now is playing already, do you understand. It's playing. After this one playing now, you see as I do it. It's simple as ABC, you understand me. It's very simple. So let's go now. So I'm going to add, press on this plus here. What am I going to do? The video that I'm using already, you understand, the first video that I'm using. Alright guys, let me screenshot it. I have screenshot it now. I have screenshot the video. It's very simple. This is photo now. I screenshot it now. It has turned to photo. Then let's go. Let me add the photo here. It's very simple as ABC. Look at the photo. I add it here. See the photo. Then I tap it. Bring it by the side. You understand? Zoom it back so that I can contain the screen. Then I go to overlay. I go to overlay now. Add overlay. It's very simple. I go to video. Then the first video that I have screenshot, you understand what I'm saying. The first video that I screenshot, this is the video here. Let me add it here. It's very easy as ABC. Just take your time and watch this video clearly and understand what I'm doing. So this is it. So it's all cut and join, you understand. You cut and join, that's how it is. Okay, let's go now. You see as you play. Watch attentively now. Watch it. It's very simple as ABC. It's very simple as ABC. Watch as it is now. This is how you can put two videos together. It's very simple.
The Bible is a theology.
Okay, you see?
The theology of the Bible
this is it. It's very simple. This is how you can do it. Very simple as ABC. Thank you very much. Keep watching and sharing my video. God bless you all.